Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday. Welcome to the Token Metrics Altcoin call. Now, to be honest with you, in the past 4 or 5 weeks on Friday, I've been like, oh my God, I have to talk about altcoins. What am I going to say? But you know what, folks? The picture just changed, honestly. So the first thing that's helping altcoins is that Bitcoin just kind of failed or stalled at 8,500. And I don't know if it's going up or down, but people don't seem to want to pay up for the big coins. In other words, when they go up, people don't want to pay higher prices. They don't mind buying the dip at 7,900, but they don't want to pay higher prices. So what does that mean for alts? Well, we think it means that people can start piling in to higher quality alts. We've heard that a big hedge fund, multi-coin capital, is long, kind of out the wazoo on crypto, but not necessarily on Bitcoin. So that means they're buying something underneath Bitcoin on the market cap chart, and we're going to talk about some of those coins today. So net, we're sort of changing our tune, and we're going to be at least stepping back from this whole idea that certain altcoins or all altcoins are toxic. We're moving away from that, and then we're going to try to find the good ones. Okay, that's tough, but we're going to try. All right, so what we've got up on the screen now is Matic. Obviously, this has gone nuts. We think it's gone to resistance up here at 212, okay? We don't advocate chasing any cryptos at major resistances. That said, it looks like it's on in terms of these altcoins that people really like, okay? We're also paying attention. We're going to do some more chart stuff here, switch around, okay? We're also looking at Cosmos again, okay? Now, Cosmos originally stopped at the 23% retracement of its big down move, okay? And we said, at the time, we said, don't chase it. Because every time these altcoins get to this 23% retracement, they stall or they go back down. But guess what? Cosmos is not going back down. It's not. It's hanging out, right? So that's leading us to believe that if Bitcoin doesn't go anywhere or if Bitcoin goes down, Cosmos might actually do well, okay? We're also looking at Ravencoin. We looked at this the other day, okay? Ravencoin broke out above an important speed resistance line at 420, okay? And then, as you can see right here, okay, Ravencoin came back down, tested the line, and then came back up again. So this coin is doing things that are bullish, and Ravencoin, as we understand it, is involved in the tokenization of everything, right? So this may be one of these plays that these hedge funds are involved in. I mean, this can go from 420 to 622, and based on some of the Elliott stuff that we do, 935 is not ridiculous if a bull market begins, right? So we're not screaming alt season, but we are starting to notice that Mr. Market is telling us that some of these coins are trading a lot better, all right? ZRX is another example, okay? We noticed that ZRX got above a big resistance point here, okay? And it came above it and then came down below it and held. And we think that's really interesting, okay? Really interesting. We also think that this black line here, which is the 200-day moving average, okay? The fact that ZRX is managing to hold above it, again, super interesting, right? So some of these coins may start doing better. So here's the bottom line. We're moving away from the idea that all altcoins are toxic. We're going to try to watch the ones that are doing well and are trading good technically, okay? Matic, Cosmos, ZRX, and Raven, right? Those are the ones we're keeping an eye on. That's the show for this Friday. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.